all aboard this here Symphony of the Seas cruise. It's my second cruise ever. This is supposed to be, no, we're not supposed to be. This is the biggest ship in the world. We're going to be going on tour this week, and hopefully you guys stick around. Make sure you subscribe to see more. What up, though? Young mirror, as soon as you walk in. A little sitting area. We are like right in the front. Wow. Boom, right there. 1. It started pouring rain and we had to run for safety. Oh my gosh. You can't see it, but I'm soaked. We're getting a breakdance moves on that ass, boy. Hey, to the left and the right. Hey, back it up. Oh, shit. Back it up. Oh, shit. Y'all, I'm on the very top of the ship, as you guys can see right here. I'm getting ready to go down the world's biggest slide in the world, you know, the abyss right here. Starts up here and goes all the way down to the bottom. It's gonna spit me out into the ocean.
Woo! 28! Caribbean at sea. Go, Nate! Go! You see him? He made it.
I'm still alive, baby. Yeah, that was scary for real. I was like, let me start doing the little running man mid-flight. Alright, right, y'all. We all geared up. Finna go out here and do this wave rider. As y'all can see, cut on the flippers. Check out the view, though. That's pretty cool, man. We're about to head out and go do this wave rider. Surfing, baby.
So before you enter any line or anything like that, make sure you go around to the support side, sign the waiver. We give it up appropriate wristband. That is good for you. And then you can join the line.
Killing it. You got it.
That's my first time on a board. You know, I've been skateboarding before, so I thought I would have some type of clue at it. I don't think I did too bad, though. What y'all think? Thumbs up if I did good. Beard's still dripping. That was fun. How do I do compared to the first time? What you think?
I think you did good on this side. I like that side. You were doing it well on that other side too.
Oh man. He said he squeezed the shit out of his finger. He took his foot right off the board. Hey!
Is headed to the formal dinner. What up, Tasha? What up?
I have a question.
You're talking to the people. You want to be on the camera?
Yeah.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you go back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you go back no more. What do you like, guys? What's your favorite?
Rap.
Rap. Yeah, come on, hit us with some. You had one shot, one opportunity. I'm not gonna rap. All right.
This is real.
Three times I'm a white girl. It's safe for the black or the white girl. He's
I'ma speak the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suit. Give me the living, took me off with their clothes, then they roll to the front.
killing it right there. He all night with it, baby. All night with it.
Gonna do the two-step. Sweetheart, it's been